Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to back up your camera roll on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to back up your camera roll on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to back up your camera roll. And on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see your Bitmoji icon. Tap over there, and after you land on this page, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down from over here until you can find the memories option over here, and you can see the memories just available for us below the family center. Tap on memories, and over here guys you can see there is the save button option available for us. Tap on that. If it's on memories, your camera roll won't be backed up on your Snapchat, but if it's on camera roll only your camera roll will be backed up and not your memory. So in a way you can back up your camera roll on Snapchat by tapping on the camera roll only, and it will start to back up. But if you want both your memories and camera roll on to be backed up to your device, then tap on camera roll and memories. So guys, and with that being said, to back up your camera roll on Snapchat, you will just be required to tap on the camera roll only. And there guys, this is how to back up your camera roll on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.